8-pack challenge, the rules are simple. 8 superstars. And that was an efficient form of offense with that move.
The opening is there for Doki.
Making sure to get her shoulder up after.
The W is well in hand, and that might be just enough to
preserving her opportunity to keep this match alive. Was not able to seal the deal with her best move. Now she's asking, what more can I do? Counters that. Seated drop kick connects. Made her pay for her mistake.
She's got set up here for you. Here we go. It's not the time to walk around.
Has been eliminated.
Now this is
What a...
She just created a prime opportunity. Each one keeps getting more devastating. She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again.
You can begin to see it in these superstars' faces. Exhaustion is beginning to set in.
They're starting to breathe heavier. This is the time where matches. I don't think we're gonna.
Up across the... She's got it. Got her shoulders down. Fights the shoulder up at one.
I'm shocked that she kicked out.
You and I both, Byron.
Down face first.
This could do it. Fist directly to the gut. She pops the shoulder up and one.
Amazing effort. Underhook and fly. That's a match-winning move, guys.
There's two.
No telling how much surviving that will cost. Someone kicks out of that. Quick exchange.
You got the shoulders down.
That's gotta be it.
She's still got something left.
And you... I don't think we're gonna see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb.
Has been eliminated.
So much brutality with that move tonight.
Oof. Kick finds it.
Popped right in the face. Kick lands. Launched into a German suplex.
Oh, this is gonna hurt. It's time to hit the lights.
Tossed into the cartwheel. Knee strike. What a combination.
That offense taking a toll on her. Now this is gonna hurt. The Dominator. Looks like a match ender. Looking for the victory. 2. Are you kidding me?
That sucked all the air out of this place. It looked like a done deal.
And she's stunned in the corner.
Big punch finds its mark.
Eye into the calf. Oh, he's right. Some attitude behind it.
Will this be enough? I'm shocked that she kicked out.
You and I both, Byron.
Oh my goodness.
She's going for it. No, 2 count. You are not alone in your shock, Cole. We all thought that was it.
Underhook applied. Side effect. It's all over but the crying.
2 count. That's it.
Has been eliminated.
Whipping into the wheelbarrow. Up and boom. DDT.
She flips it back on her.
Up across the shoulders. Torture rack. Position driven down face first.
For the win. 2. She kicked out. How the hell did she kick out?
Byron, in the world of romance, this is what we call the French kiss. I've seen that move before.
And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
It's not over yet. Ooh, bullseye! Elimination matches are no picnic, but they still made it through in one piece.